Hey lovely people, so let's talk about Stila's All Fired Up Glitter and Glow eyeshadow. So I just got this from Sephora. They had a holiday sale and I got 20% off because I'm finally a Rouge member. And I got this for $12.50, so I'm really excited about this price and I'm excited to try this product out. So since I'm wearing red today, I'm gonna have red lipstick. And if you're wondering what lipstick I'm wearing, I also got this lipstick. This is Bite Beauty. I also got this from Sephora as well in the same haul for their holiday sale. This is in the color Maple. So I got this duo. There's the radish color and then the maple color right here. Okay, all right. So this, I want to try out this color today. This darkish reddish brown color. All right, so I'm gonna start off. Just looking at it. So I'm not very used to using liquid eyeshadow, but today I'll try to make it work. Let's see. I'm gonna try to stay in the lines. Oh yes. I like this. I like this a lot. So I'm gonna use just like a simple eyeshadow brush to kind of smooth out these edges. Yeah, I like this a lot. This makes me excited. Yes, honey. All right. Okay. This looks pretty good. All right, and time for the other side. So this color is going on pretty smooth. I didn't really expect it to look this pronounced. I thought it was gonna be more of a clear type of look. I didn't know there was gonna be this much pigment and this much color. Yeah. And so voila, I have put this eyeshadow on my eyes. I really like it. I really like this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on my eyeliner and mascara and then show you what the final look looks like, okay? All right, I will be back.